So friends, in today's video I am going to tell you about all the buttons and functions of Samsung AC remote in very detailed and simple words. So let's start the video. You can see the power button on the remote. With this you can turn AC on and off. After that, the next button is temperature up-down button. Now the more you press the temperature down button, the temperature will decrease. The lower the temperature, the more cooling it will do. Its lowest temperature is 16 degrees. Now the more you press the temperature up button, the temperature will increase and the AC will start reducing the cooling. Its highest temperature is 30 degrees. If you just want cooling and also want to reduce electricity bill, then you should use 26. This is a very good temperature for our body also. And if you feel more cooling in 26 degrees, then you can set the temperature of your AC to 27 degrees. And if you are feeling hot in 26 degrees, then you can set the temperature of your AC to 25 or 24. After that, the next button is mode. Currently in cool mode. By pressing the mode button you will see the mode. Currently in dry mode. Currently in fan mode. Now the mode is in heat. Currently the mode is in auto. Now I will tell you the information about the modes in detail in very simple words. After that, if you press the mode button again, cool mode will come. In cool mode, all the buttons on the remote of the AC will work, and in this mode the AC will cool. And in cool mode the AC will do the cooling as per your requirement. After that, the next mode is dry. You can use dry mode in the rainy season. There is a lot of humidity in the rainy season and there is sticky heat. So using the AC in dry mode removes that humidity. After that, the next mode is fan. The fan will not provide AC cooling, only the fan of the indoor unit will run. Suppose there is no fan in your room and you do not want AC cooling and you just want to use AC fan, then you can use fan mode. After that, the next mode is heat. Your AC will hit in heat mode. If your AC supports hot and cool model, then your AC will work in heat mode, and if your AC does not support hot and cool model, then your AC will not heat the room. After that, if you press the mode button again, auto mode will come. In auto mode your AC will work automatically and the AC will work as per its own. If you feel that the cooling is more or less in auto mode, then you can also increase or decrease the cooling by using the temperature up and down button. Next button is Smart Saver. By pressing the Smart Saver button, your AC will be set to 24 degrees. It will work from 24 degrees to 30 degrees, which will save energy in the AC. After that, the next button is Turbo. Generally what happens is that whenever we turn on the AC, the compressor turns on in 3 minutes, but by pressing the turbo button, the compressor starts in 1 minute. You are coming to your room from outside and your room is very hot, and if you are feeling very hot in the room and you want quick cooling, then you can use the turbo button. In this, the speed of the AC fan increases and the room cools down very quickly. Next button is Quiet. Pressing this button will reduce the sound in the indoor unit and the indoor unit will start running silent. Next button is Auto Clean. By using the Auto Clean button, if there is a lot of bad smell in your indoor unit or there is too much dust accumulated in the indoor unit, then you can use this button to remove that dust and bad smell. This function works when you use the AC and turn off the AC from the remote, and the AC turns off after 10 minutes of indoor unit being cleaned. Next button is Swing. This is the button for the front swing of the AC. It works in up and down. By using this swing, the cooling of the AC will spread quickly in the room. And wherever you want to stop the swing flap, by pressing this button your swing flap will stop there. Next button is BioSleep. BioSleep timer has a function which allows you to set a timer from 1 hour to 12 hours. It is very easy to set a timer in BioSleep function. Just press the up and down button of the timer, set the time you want and then press the set button, your timer will be set. And if you want to cancel the timer, then press the cancel button and your timer will be cancelled. Next button is timer on. You can set timer from 1 hour to 24 hours. It is very easy to set a timer. Just press the timer on and keep pressing the up and down buttons of the timer. Set the time you want to set and then press the set button. Your timer will be set. And if you want to cancel the timer, then press the cancel button and your timer will be cancelled. I hope you have understood the information given by me. Then please like my video.